A fast-moving mid-afternoon thunderstorm dumped rain in Cedar City and other parts of Iron County on Thursday. The northern areas of Cedar City were the hardest hit, with floodwaters filling neighborhood streets, sidewalks, parking lots, yards, and ball fields. At the Iron County Sheriff's Office and jail facility, water poured into the basement, where the building's computer servers and crime lab evidence are stored. Water leaks also caused parts of the ceilings to collapse in multiple hallways and rooms at the jail. Later in the evening, after the storm had passed and the flooding began to subside, workers were busy restoring power and cleaning up debris from clogged gutters. Free self-serve sandbags are available at city and county facilities for those who need them. This is Jeff Richards reporting for Cedar City News, your #1 source for local news.